Welcome to our classroom. Today, we're going to talk about the role of technology in education. Technology has revolutionized the way we learn. With just a few clicks, we can access vast amounts of information and resources. But technology is not a replacement for great teachers. Great teachers are essential to the learning process. They provide guidance, support, and inspiration to their students. Technology in the hands of great teachers is transformational. With technology, teachers can personalize learning, create interactive experiences, and engage students in new and exciting ways. Technology can also help teachers assess student progress, provide feedback, and identify areas for improvement. But it's important to remember that technology is just a tool. It's the teacher who makes the difference. So let's continue to embrace technology in education, but let's never forget the value of great teachers. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you learned something new. End screen. A message thanking the viewer for watching and encouraging them to share the video with others.